Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Hope you are liking our videos. Today we are doing what, Arjun? What we are doing?
Experiments.
Experiment?
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Hope you like our videos.
Hi Arjun.
Hi.
What you are showing us today?
Action.
Action?
Yeah.
What action?
First we keep the red cabbage in water.
Okay.
And we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Let's start.
Let's start it. So we took the warm water and we are placing the red cabbage in it. We will see how the color changes. After we get the color liquid, we will see the pH, how it changes with different materials, different chemicals. We now are straining the color water from the bowl to different glasses, 4 glasses. The 4 equal parts of water, the red cabbage color water. We are using vinegar, a lemon,
this much, and this much.
Okay, then a baking soda and also a turmeric. We will see the color change in each glass after putting in the chemicals. Okay, first what you want to put?
Baking soda.
Okay, take 1 teaspoon slowly in this. Now we are putting the baking soda in. Which one? Which glass? This one. Okay. It changed into beautiful blue.
Yeah, and when we keep...
No, Arjun. Next, we will try with the vinegar. Take the vinegar and put little in 1 glass. Not in that, the next one. In this one. Wow.
It became pink! And when you mix together, I don't know.
What happens? We will see. Let's put the lemon. I'm just squeezing the lemon in a water spoon. Now the art will go in here.
Nothing happened.
Okay, put some more. Put some more.
Shake it. Let's mix it again.
Wow.
It became pink like a fish.
Mix it. Not so much. Yeah, perfect.
Then let's mix it with this spoon. It become brown. Look. brown. Then let's mix together.
Wait. Let me take a nice pick of this.
1, 2, 3. Click, check.
Check. I don't see. Cheese.
Cheese.
Now you can do whatever you want.
Now, just this. And then we keep in the cream.
Okay. Don't put so much. Wow.
See?
It started sizzling. And become more like a purple.
Yeah. Then we come back to purple.
Purple. Super.
Now let's keep it the brown.
Not so much.
What happened?
Now you mix it. It didn't change much.
What does change?
Yeah,
But
because
when
that
you
is
get so much, it didn't change.
but that is a lemon. This is a lemon we used. Okay, this is a baking soda.
Yeah.
Little more extra will give you purple color. Very nice.
Then let's pour it and see what happens.
Okay.
And let's see what it is. Keep vinegar. Volcano! Volcano!
And it changed to purple again.
It becomes like volcano.
Because it has baking soda, it reacted with the vinegar and it has given a nice volcano. Wow!
You have another one?
No, Arjun, it's finished. Very nice.
Keep water and then we come back to vinegar.
So this become vinegar, this become purple again. And this is a lemon one. This is a baking soda. This is a turmeric baking soda, which gives green and
whoa, that's
so much of layers.
Yeah, then it
And
becomes...
Arjun still continuing to do so much.
Let's go.
So this is it, guys. Hope you liked our video. Please like, share and subscribe for more experiments and also fun videos. Bye-bye.
Bye.